Hey there, dear listeners of Takeaway Chinese. What you're checking out right now is a special edition just for you. More Than Mandarin. This is where we break down the finer details of frequently used words so you know the ins and outs of them. Let's take a listen.
Are you ready to 携手 with me to explore the charm of the Chinese language? 携手 in English means hold hands or join hands. But the meaning of 携手 goes beyond just physical contact. It is often used to describe a collaborative effort between individuals or organizations to achieve a common goal. For example, 我们需要携手应对气候变化，保护我们的星球。We need to join hands to combat climate change and protect our planet. Actually, there are plenty of examples where countries join hands and create a positive impact and make the world a better place. Take the Belt and Road Initiative, for example. Under this initiative, the China-Europe Railway Express was built and expanded. Now, this land-based freight train network reaches about 200 cities in European countries and transports a diverse range of products, from food to electronics, bringing tangible benefits and opportunities to local residents. 一带一路是大家携手前进的阳光大道。The Belt and Road Initiative provides a path for countries to join hands and advance development together. 携手 is about unity, cooperation, and solidarity, and it's a phrase that truly embodies the spirit of togetherness. 携手 join hands, being together. 你学会了吗？
If you enjoy this extra segment and want to watch the video version, just search for More Than Mandarin on Facebook or YouTube. And don't forget to leave a comment and let us know if you appreciate our new edition. See you next time.